Welcome to session 7. New concept. In last session we have seen logical equivalence. The last column of both statement pattern having same truth values for each combination, and that's why they are called as a logically equivalent, and we have seen certain problems on this logical equivalence. Okay, now turn towards next concept: tautology, contradiction and contingency. A statement pattern, a statement pattern means what? More than two simple statements connected by using more than one connectives called a statement pattern. A statement pattern whose truth value आपण जो ट्रूथ टेबल बनवतो त्याचा शेवटचा कॉलम whose truth value is always true for each combination असेल तर called tautology. Whose truth value is always true for each combination called tautology and denoted by दाखवायची पद्धत आहे small t. Tautology denoted by small t means, in short, if last column of a given statement pattern contains all t, truth value is true, contains all t for each combination. शेवटच्या कॉलममध्ये जर सगळे t असतील तर त्या स्टेटमेंट पॅटर्नला म्हणायचं टॉटॉलॉजी. if truth or truth value of given statement pattern are false for each combination. शेवटच्या कॉलम मध्ये सगळे जर f आले तर called contradiction. याला म्हणतो आपण contradiction. आणि दाखवायची पद्धत आहे denoted by. त्या स्टेटमेंट पॅटर्नला म्हणतो आपण contradiction and denoted by small c. ओके, a statement pattern वरच्या लँग्वेज मध्ये द्यायची ठरली तर a statement pattern whose truth table is always false for each combination, then it is called as a contradiction. किंवा if all truth values of a given statement pattern are false for each combination called contradiction. पहिली definition if, this is definition. Third definition, if given statement pattern is neither tautology, म्हणजे काय, सगळे टी नाही, or not contradiction, सगळे f पण नाही, सगळे t पण नाही आणि सगळे f पण नाही, मिक्स आहे, then called, अशा स्टेटमेंट पॅटर्नला म्हणतो आपण contingency. Then it is called as a contingency. तर मग त्याच्यासाठी आपल्याला काय करावं लागेल, अगोदर ट्रूथ टेबल बनवावं लागेल, मग शेवटचा कॉलम काढावा लागेल आणि मग त्याच्यावरनं शेवटच्या कॉलम मध्ये सगळे टी आले तर दिलेला स्टेटमेंट पॅटर्न टोटोलॉजी, सगळे एफ आले तर कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन आणि मिक्स आले तर कॉन्टिन्जन्सी. याच्यावरती 3 मार्काला प्रॉब्लेम येऊ शकतो. ओके, सी द प्रॉब्लेम. Using truth table, examine whether the following statement pattern or whether the following statement is a tautology, contradiction or contingency. Okay, we have to check which one of these three is the given statement. We have to prepare a table. So how many columns? Number of columns. Yes, number of simple statement plus number of logical connectivity. 1, 2, 3 means in our table there are 5 columns and rows 2 raised to number of simple statement 4. So which columns are? This is first column P, this is second column Q. Then is there negation? No. First bracket P and Q, second bracket Q or P, and then last statement P and Q, implication Q or P, and we have to prepare the truth table. आता याचं टेबल तयार करायचं आहे. So we prepare a table, 5 columns. This is 1, 2 simple statements, then first bracket, second bracket, and this is the last statement. Okay. Rows 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. How to take truth value? Both are true or first true, second false or first false, second true or both may be false. पहिल्याला 50%, 2 ट्रू 2 एम आणि त्याच्या 50% दुसऱ्याला. ओके, कॅपिटल लेटर्स P and Q. कंजंक्शनला काय होत आहे, बोथ आर ट्रू then true, where P number 1 column, not Q number 2 column, both are true then only true. Here true, here both are true, no. False, here both are true, no. Similarly, here not both true. Conjunction, both must be true. Okay. Disjunction, Q or P, Q or P. This, if both are false or लिखा है both are false, then only false. Disjunction, are both false, are both false, are both false, are both false. Yes, last false. Otherwise, it is true. If both are F, then it is F. Then implication, P and T, then only true. F or F, then only false. And implication, P, F, then only F. Where P and Q number 3, Q or P number 4. Okay, this implies this. T, F, no, true. Is here T, F? No. Is here T, F? No. Is here T, F? No. Last column contains or T, we use all three conditions. No any row contains T, F column, therefore it is always true. Okay, and therefore how to write? Therefore, all truth values of last column are T for each combination, and therefore P a given statement pattern. This statement pattern is a tautology. आणि म्हणून हा स्टेटमेंट पॅटर्न काय आहे, tautology आहे. and this is the answer. This is the method of writing an answer. Okay. Next, this is second example. P conjunction negation of Q double implication. P implies Q. Okay. So for this, how many? Number of columns. Number of columns equal to number of simple statement P and Q. Different connective 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many columns? 6 columns are there. And rows, same. Number of rows equal to 2 raised to, because for one statement there are 2 truth value, 2 raised to number of simple statement 4. So which are 6 columns? Which are? First is P, then Q, then negation if anybody is here. Here negation Q. Then first bracket P conjunction negation of Q. Then second bracket P implication Q. And then last. If you have less space, give numbers to these columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then P conjunction negation of Q is called as a number 4. Double implication 5 if you got less space. Otherwise, write it as it is and draw a table. Rows are 4. Okay. We draw a table containing 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6 columns. Okay. You know truth value. This is yes, T, T, F, F. Here T, here F, here again T, here F. Negation of Q. Q column number 2. Negation means negation of true, false. False negation, true. True, false. False, true. Then P number 8. Negation of Q number 3. P and negation of Q and conjunction. What is formula? And दोन्ही true असतील तर दोन्ही false होईल. दोन्ही true. कुठं एक नंबर आणि negation of Q 3 नंबर. दोन्ही true. No. Here yes. Here no. Here no. Only second case contains both true. Therefore it is true. Otherwise false. Then P implication Q. What is condition? If T F, then only F. P number 1, Q number 2. If T F, no. T F, yes, then only false. Otherwise, it is true. Then 4 double implication 5. P conjunction negation of Q 4 number. P implication Q 5 number. दोघांचे घ्यायचे डबल इम्प्लिकेशन. डबल म्हणजे माहिती आहे ना, सेम असतील तर दोन्ही ट्रू किंवा दोन्ही फॉल्स असतील तर उत्तर काय ट्रू, अदरवाइज फॉल्स. आर बोथ सेम? नो. सेकंड केस? नो. थर्ड केस? नो. लास्ट केस? नो. Are both same? No. And therefore, last column contains all F. Last column contains all F. And therefore, given statement pattern, what is P and negation of Q, double implication, P implies Q. P implies Q is a yes. सगळे F असेल तर याला म्हणतो आपण contradiction. Is a contradiction and hence our problem. Okay. Next. Third example, P conjunction Q, double implication Q disjunction R. Here number of columns equal to number of simple statements P, Q, R. Connect to 1, 2, 3. Therefore, 6 columns are there. Number of rows 2 raised to number of simple statement 2 raised to 3, and which is equal to 8. Okay, which are they? 8 column कोणते? Simple statement column P, Q, R. Is there negation? No. P and Q second, Q or R, and last P and Q double implication Q or R. Check whether these are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns. Rows 8. We draw a table containing 8 rows. Okay. This is a table containing 6 columns and 8 rows. Let us try to write the truth values of column one by one. First column, you know? Yes? T, 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 T. Then remaining 4 are here. Am I correct? Then, what about second? Yes. T, T, F, F. T, T, F, F. Is it okay? Third, T, F, T, F, T, F, T, F. Conjunction. What is conjunction? If both are true, then only true. Write your side. If both are true, then only P and Q. First two. Both are true, then only true. Only what is? First two are true. Both are true. P and Q. One number, two number. Are both true? No. See. This is conjunction. This is disjunction. But roots Q and R, number 2 and 3. Disjunction, if both are false, then only false. Are both false? No. 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 Here both are false. Again, no. 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 Yes. Last case. या दोन केसेस मध्ये दोन्ही फॉल्स आहे. पुन्हा सांगतो. Q number 2, R number 3. Are both false? No. True. Here true. Here true. Both false? False. Then true. Then true. Then true. And this is the answer. Then P and Q number 4. Q or R number 5. Both have double implication. Same असेल तर true. 4 and 5 number. Both same true. Both same true. Both same false. Both same true. Are they same? No. Same? No. Same? No. Again true. And what is your conclusion? त्याच्यावरनं काय कन्क्लुजन घेणार माहितीये ना? लास्ट कॉलम does not contains all T or F, and therefore सगळे T पण नाही आणि सगळे F पण नाही. Therefore given statement pattern P double and Q double implication Q or R is a contingency. Okay, neither tautology nor contradiction, and hence it is a contingency. Okay. This is fourth problem. Okay. How many columns? How many columns? Number of simple statement 2 plus number of different logical connectives. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So it contains 8 columns. And rows, number of rows, 2 raised to simple statement 4 rows. How these 8 columns? First column, simple statement. Then negations if given. Yes, here negation P, negation Q. Then first bracket, negation of P, disjunction, negation of Q. Then can we find directly? No, first bracket, P conjunction Q. Then negation of P conjunction Q. Now I got less space. स्पेस कमी राहिली बघा. मग आता काय करायचं? And therefore negation of P disjunction, give numbers to these columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and last column negation of P disjunction 5, middle sign, double implication, and negation 7, and write its truth table. ओके, जमेल. याचा ट्रूथ टेबल पहिल्यांदा तयार करा आणि मग तो ड्रॉ करा. अगोदर ड्रॉ करा आणि मग तो राईट करा. ट्राय युअर सेल्फ. हिअर सम व्हॅल्यूज आर प्रोव्हाइडेड टू यू. रिमेनिंग व्हॅल्यू पुट युअर सेल्फ अँड टेल मी लास्ट आन्सर. अँड आय थिंक इट इज अ टॉटॉलॉजी. चेक वेदर इट इज करेक्ट ऑर रॉंग. तुमच्याकडे सगळे रूल्स आहे. ओके, त्यांचा उपयोग करून याचा टेबल तयार करा आणि राईट युअर आन्सर. वन मोर प्रॉब्लेम. सी नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लेम फॉर यू ॲज अ होमवर्क. नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स. हाऊ मेनी नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स? Number of simple statement P, Q, R. Number of different logical connectives A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it contains 10 columns. Very large table is there. Which are they? See here. P, then Q, then R. This is first, second, third. Then negation of Q, this is fourth column. Then now turn towards negation संपले तर ब्रॅकेट. और सगळ्यात पहिल्यांदा इंटरनल ब्रॅकेट. negation of Q or R. Then LHS. P implies negation of Q disjunction R. 6. Then inside bracket Q or R 7 there. Then P implies Q or R 8 number. Then no place negation of 8, and lastly P implies negation of Q disjunction R 6, double implication 9, and this is your 10th टेबल. बघा 10 नंबरचा टेबल तयार झालाय तुमचा. ओके, 10 नंबरचा कॉलम. आता रोज किती? 2⁻³ म्हणजे किती? 8 ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यूज येतील. ओके, नेक्स्ट पार्ट ट्राय युअर सेल्फ. पुढचा पार्ट तुम्ही ट्राय करा. 8 ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यूचा रोज 8 रोज ड्रॉ करायचे आहे. This is a table containing 10 rows. Oh, sorry, 8 rows. See, truth value T, 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 remaining F, 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 F. Then for this T, T, F, F, T, T, F, F, and for this alternate means T, F, T, F, T, F, T, F. Then negation of Q, write yourself. Negation of Q. False, false, true, true. False, false, true, true. Then negation of Q, 4 number. R, 3 number. R, disjunction. Disjunction, both are false, then only false. First case, 2. Here both are false, then false. 2, 2, 2. Both are false. F, 2, 2. Then P implication means 1 implies 5. P कडून T F असेल तरच false. 1 number, 5 number. Okay, first case. No. Second, T F false. Then 2. Then 2 and remaining F first. So no question. These are always true. Only first case P implies P F असणारी T T no T F only one case. Okay. Then Q implication R. Q number 2 3 T F first case no. Second case T F then no. Fourth no. Fifth no. Sixth yes. Again T F no. Then P 1 number implies Q. पुन्हा तोच T F असेल तर false. 1 number 7 number. Number 1 आणि number 7. 1 number T T true. T F false. T T F T no. F F T F हा आला इकडे T इकडे F आला तरच फॉल्स असतो. अशी फक्त बघा सेकंड केस आहे. ट्रू T F देन ट्रू ट्रू आणि F पहिल्यांदा आल्यावर प्रश्नच नाही. ट्रू. याचं निगेशन घ्यायचं आहे. F T F F F F F F negation of 8 आणि मग आता 6 डबल इम्प्लिकेशन 9 6 डबल इम्प्लिकेशन 9 6 आणि 9 कडे सेम असेल तर ट्रू 9 सेम 9 आर सेम नो 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 no no and therefore what is your conclusion? Last column contains aria and therefore given statement pattern is a contradiction. Write this answer yourself. Okay, Zamil? Very good. These 3 problems are for you as a homework for discussing tautology, contradiction or contingency. Okay, we stop here. Next session, new concept.